without former Coleman medalist Harry Mackay, who misses due to personal reasons. Blues coach Michael Voss refused to discuss Mackay's situation.
Tasmania's weather, strong wind warning for the far northwest coast and central west coast. Partly cloudy, 21 today for Burnie, partly cloudy, 20 for Devonport, and also partly cloudy for Launceston with a high of 22. Hobart, a shower or two forecast with a top of 19 degrees. At the moment, 9 degrees in Burnie, 10 in Devonport, 12 degrees in Launceston and Hobart. You're listening to ABC News. The time now, 7:10.
Streaming live on the ABC Listen app and on your smart speaker.
Breakfast with Kim Napier.
Thanks for the news update, Michael. It is indeed 7:10. Asking this morning a meal or recipe that connects you to your family or a special memory. Dennis called to say, don't forget the brains and white pudding for breakfast and tripe.